So, and why watercolor, Andy? Can you say something about that?
That's a good question. I don't know. I mean, there was never any kind of a conscious choice that I made when I started to paint. I just always kind of loved watercolor. I think part of it is the speed that you can paint with watercolor kind of suited me at that time because I was looking for something different than the medical artwork, which was very labor intensive, and detailed, and just, the feeling of being able to pull out brushes and water and paint and get a painting done rapidly.
Yeah.
Really, that appealed to me.
What exactly you look for? What attracts you? You know what I mean? Like, oh, I have to paint that.
Definitely. Sometimes it's the quality of light. Sometimes it's the subject is really cool. Sometimes it's the mood, the atmosphere. Whenever I do a demonstration painting, I kind of joke. People want to have, what are you going to paint? And they're asking me 2 weeks ahead of time. I'm like, I don't know. I'm going to choose that morning. See what I feel like painting, So this is what attracted me to watercolor. I love the immediacy and the freshness of watercolor. So fun.